the climate. I decide no matter the climate. Birthday bitches in my third trimester. Shift eyes, they tell me you lying. Don't care, just lay it beside me. Hey time, chasing a rewind. Hey time, I need more space and security. I need less voices, just you and me. I need your touch, not just scrutiny. Squeezing too tight, boy, you lose me.
Hey girls, so we have made it to the Dominican Republic and I wanted to give you guys a quick room tour. So let me act like I'm just walking in for the first time. Oops.
Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. 'Cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Yeah, yeah, 'cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Baby, I want this. I want this to last forever. Oh yeah. So baby, I want this. Can we make this?
Hey girl, I need to talk to y'all. My head is pounding. Like seriously, my head hurts. And even though this is night one of the vacation and I tried to hang with the big dogs, I couldn't do it this time, y'all. My head was hurting so bad I couldn't even think. So far, let me give y'all updates. So far we went out to have lunch on the resort. We went out to have dinner. They have like little bars. The drinks are okay. I'm not a big drinker, so it doesn't take much for me to get a buzz. So I think the drinks are okay. I would kind of give them maybe like a 8 out of 10 possibly. But if you're like a huge drinker, then you probably wouldn't like the drinks, because we have other drinkers in my party that, you know, they're like, nah, they don't like it. But for me, they're cool. The food is not the best. I'm not even a picky eater, honestly, and the food is not the best. I'll be real honest. I've been to a lot of these resorts and this one is probably the worst. Now, I only had lunch and dinner, so maybe tomorrow they'll have a different menu and it'll be different. I don't know, but it's a no for me. But anyways, my head is pounding like do 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 do, like right here, right like in this area. So I tried to, you know, take some medication. I tried to drink a lot of water and I just could not push through. So thankfully it's not just Chris and I on this trip. So I don't have to be like a Debbie Downer. But there was a club on this resort and they're wanting to go on to that particular club that's on the resort. And I was just like, listen, I need a few hours. I need to lay it down. So I set my alarm for a couple hours from now. So hopefully when I get up, I will feel a lot better. If I don't, then I will be recording tomorrow, because I'll be getting up in the morning, recording in the morning. But I'm not forcing myself. I've been up since 4 o'clock in the morning. Like, I'm in this era of I'm listening to my body. And if I need to lay down, I need to lay down. It is what it is. I felt kind of guilty a little bit because I'm just like, oh, man. But honestly, we're going to be here for a couple of days. And this is only day one. So everybody, I know they're understanding and they get it. But my head is pounding. I need to lay it down. And If I do go ahead and decide to get up in a couple of hours, then I'll take y'all along with me to the club that's on this resort. If not, then I'm gonna see y'all in the morning at breakfast. I'll be recording at that point. But so far, I want to say that I'm having a good time. It's really beautiful here in Dominican Republic. And so far, so good. It's only day one, but yeah. So I wanted to check in with y'all, let y'all know what was going on. But I'm going to sleep, okay? Good night.
Sign when straightforward eyes on the climbing. I decide no matter the climate. Burning bitches in my third trimester. Shift eyes, they tell me you lying. Don't care, just lay it beside me. Hey time, chasing the rewind. Hey time, I need more space and security. I need less voices, just you and me.
When me and I got in the water, I almost swam away, okay, to Haiti. So now I'm about to go over here to the jerk chicken bar. I keep hearing about this on TikTok and it's so popular. So I want to see if it's as good as they say. Okay, it looks good too. It looks really good. It looks good, y'all. It look good too. Let me get mine.
Put that Winnie back on the grill, baby.
Yeah, I like my Winnie burnt. Me too.
Chris love glizzies.
That's in my TikTok. I mean, that's in my YouTube.
Oh, shit.
Chris love glizzy.
Glizzy guy.
Glizzies. Where you going over there? Chicken right here, Renee. Chicken right here. Let me get my little thing. The jerk, the sauce is over there. On my YouTube.
Okay. Happy birthday, Ash.
Thank you.
Wow, we're in Punta Cana.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. Shayo. Choco bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I'm the white fault and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba Frayo, my ayo. I dey Port when them kill Sovoma. I dey try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young past, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need people and shadow. 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 I need people. Another banger. Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a keep at the bong, 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 your body, kakara, make a bong, 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 on a make it. Kilo fait, on m'a tête, chocolate, fine, oh, baguette, watch your love for like it, why not more, your body, chocolate, bush it, yeah, imade, double see, kilo fait, why now, daddy, tell me what's in your body, I'm a damn easy, baby, and you want to give me control, even want to get already, I'ma make up my eye.
Hey girls, so it is day 2 on the resort. We just left the pink party and it was fun. We was there for like 2 hours. I'm thinking they had food, they had drinks obviously, and we had a really good time. Everybody will agree the food is not hitting. The food is nasty, y'all. It's not good. They even messed up breakfast. If you can mess up an omelet, you're diabolical, okay? So I definitely would give the food a 1 out of 10 because it's not good. Like I'm not saying like it's good. Like I'm not saying that it's bad where it'll make you sick. I'm talking about it's just not good. It's just not appetizing. So our plan for tonight is to get something off of the resort, an actual authentic restaurant. So I'm hoping that we can kind of get that popping. But like I said, we left the pink party and it was so fun. We had a good time. They had a mix of music, so that was cool. They had a big pool. I didn't get in the pool. I've been at a couple of these resorts, so I kind of don't like, even though I don't have an issue with being around a lot of people, I don't like having like being in a pool full of people. Like that's not my thing. It's just I like to be able to openly swim, and if it's like that, I don't like it. I'm not into that. But we had a good time. Everybody walked away smiling. We ended up having to take a bus to another resort, and the bus was so hot on that bus, y'all. It was humid, okay? But I mean, we're having a good time, so it's not that serious. Let me see. So like I said, the food is not good. The pink party was really, really nice. I thought my outfit was so cute. Let me show y'all my outfit real quick. And this outfit that I do have is from Shein, and I will make sure I have the link dropped as well. Hold on. Let me show y'all my outfit. I took the shoes off. My shoes are super wet. It did rain. So this is my outfit, okay? This is the back of my outfit. It's a little sheer piece, you know, a little sheer, okay? I thought it was so cute. These are the shoes that I wore. I was gonna wear the pink shoes, but I ended up wearing these clear shoes. This All of this is from Shein. It's my little bangle bracelet set. Well, that's just my little band. And then this is the necklace. It's really tangled. And then these are the earrings that I like. You can never go wrong with these earrings. But yeah, it was real cute. Very cute, very cute. You know, so really, really loved it. But yeah, I need to get unready at this point because I'm hot, I'm burning up, I feel uncomfortable. So, but I just wanted to chat with y'all real quick. Have y'all ever been to, well, what is your favorite vacation spot? I should say that. What is your favorite vacation spot? Where do you love to go? Or tell me where your dream vacation spot would be. Like, where would you like to go if you could ever go to on a big vacation for your birthday or in celebration of your anniversary or just anything that's going on in your life? Tell me where you would go. So I really am considering doing either a cruise for my son or my daughter, or maybe like a Christmas cruise, something like that, where they kind of get a taste of going out of the country. But I definitely need to get their passports. That's, you know, I got to get that before we do anything. What are your thoughts? Do you feel like you want to take your kids out of the country? I really have this thing where I want my kids to get to the age of 18 and be like, oh, I already have a passport. I've been multiple places. I don't want my kids to grow up in a space where, you know, they waited till after adulthood to travel. And although I had that experience, there's nothing wrong with it, but I would rather expose them to positive traveling experiences, letting them know that they don't have to stay in a bubble. And, you know, I want them to be exposed to those kind of things and not just be like, oh yeah, I'm from Georgia and that's all I've ever seen or ever known. Again, no shade, but I really want my kids to be more, you know, exposed to different things, you know? So anyways, I need to get it together. I need to wash my face. It's been very, 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 very humid. And so I got all that on me and I just need to take a shower and get myself together. Hey girl, I'm a little tired, like online. So today is excursion day. This is day 3 and just got my breakfast. This is what I'm eating. I want you to see what Chris eating, but he eating it fast, so. Let me show y'all my shirt, which I kind of could have figured that. The birthday girl.
Pack whatever you
yeah.
need. That's me.
What you saying?
I said what I said. I said what I said.
That's not the birthday girl.
Good morning. I'm trying to look at your shirts. What your shirt say? God damn.
Dang.
You look like your shirt. The drunk cousin. I know y'all said that. That's funny. The drunk cousin. I like your shirt. Oh, I ain't get yours. Yes.
Oh, you can ask. Oh, don't be paying me for tips.
Oh, we on a bus is good. Morning. I'm getting everybody's shirt. What your shirt say? I said I'm getting everybody's shirt. The party's with the locals, cousin.
Yes.
buggy with my husband because I don't like to drive at all. Not even out of the country. So this is us right here. Are you ready?
I'm ready as I'm gonna be, girl.
Are you ready?
No, but I'm gonna be ready.
You sound like Ned. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You ready?
Yes, ma'am. Let's go, birthday girl.
Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
It's cold,
I was ready.
I'm not a player, I just fuck a lot. From a thug nigga, I'm not a player, I just fuck a lot. Hey, yo, I'm still not a player, but you still a hater. Elevator to the top high. See you later, I'm gone. Penthouse suite, penthouse freaks, in-house beach, fresh house seats, 10,000 piece, rent out lease, with an option to buy. Cop it a 5 of Benz, when I'm not. Go for the sky, go for the lie. With my twins, ego, I'm in the Benzito, with my Kiko from Queens, the King, where he go. We go back like PAs, wearing PJs, now to reach the PKs, running trains for 3 days. Who wanna ride it won't cost you $1 with a sword for harder, a fortune still on the dollar. Mama, I'm big, I rip my prick through your hooters, I'm sick. You couldn't measure my dick with 6 rulers, hold up, shoot out. I'm all about getting new, but I knock that bull if you out to get cool. I'm not a player, I just fuck a lot. Uptown, baby, uptown. I'm not a player, I just fuck a lot. I love a one in the can, the black brand, the last. I don't discriminate. I regulate every shade of the ass. Don't get little flat, the back, the chest, fat ass, the breast. I leave it tender, the best, the best. I want to get you back, but if it is sex, the leg ahead of my chest, I feel my heart beat.
Wish you would just focus on